How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto ice cream from scratch. This ice cream should taste almost identical to Rebel's chocolate chip ice cream. So I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Now, of course, Rebel ice cream is the most delicious keto ice cream there is on the market today, but it's a little pricey. So if you can make it yourself or you can make something similar to it, then by all means do it. But at the end of the day, Rebel is the go-to ice cream to get if you are gonna go buy it outside. All right, so let me show you how to make this right now. All right, so we're gonna use 2 cups of vanilla almond milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of Hershey's extra dark cocoa, 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate chips, a dash of real salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 10 drops of liquid stevia, and 1 tablespoon of powdered monk fruit sweetener. All right, let's seal the lid and shake it until it's evenly combined. All right, it's been evenly combined. Now let's transfer this into the freezer and allow to freeze for approximately 3.5 to 4 hours. All right, it's been about 4 hours and I've been waiting very patiently. Can't wait to try it. Wow, look at that ice cream. Looks good. Now this is gonna have half the calories as the ice cream I made last time, which was a HAAGEN version of keto ice cream. So my last recipe had twice the amount of calories as this ice cream. So this ice cream is less calorically dense. So keep that in mind too. Just like Rebel ice cream, Rebel's about 600 calories. This is going to be about 600 to 700 calories in that range. Wow, look at that ice cream. Looks great. That is really good. You know, this tastes almost identical to Rebel ice cream. A lot less ingredients. Absolutely amazing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troyce signing out.